kill me.
When you've got this kind of discompression, it's a very nasty symptom. You get that really gross nerve root pressure.
Yeah.
And nerve pain's the worst pain you can get.
This morning when I woke up, it was on the inside of my leg and, you know, right down to my knee.
These are Barry's films. There was a lot to look at on Barry's films. This big obturator gave us some information about what was happening on this SI joint, the right sacroiliac. The lumbar spine had opposite rotation to what we expected it to have. We've got this big osseous formation here linking those two vertebrae together, showing that he's obviously got long-term trouble with the spine. In the end, his body showed us where the subluxation was. It was down here at the third segment of the sacrum, and that's where we've got our line of drive.
It's just like my right leg feels as if it wants to give way.
Yeah, that's the nerve supply's not getting down there properly. Facing out this way.
Alright.
That's it.
I'll get this one up first.
Yeah, I'll do it for you, mate, if you just take the weight down. That's it. Alright, your job's done. Just relax, Barry. Try not to move, Barry.
Try not to move, okay.
You're alright?
That leg is... Oh, I can't.
That leg's...
Oh shit, that leg's sore. Oh yeah, it's right down there.
Alright.
Right the way down.
Alright. Let's turn you around. I can do this from the other side.
Okay. I'll just get up.
Is it a bit easier on that side?
No, that's better.
The reason why you can lay on this side better is because the weight of your pelvis is squashing the joint down.
Oh, okay.
And it's compressing it. What about in there?
Yeah, it hurts.
Barry, I want you to just try and relax there. Give this a little push in a minute. It's pretty good. Takes a bit of pressure off, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does.
Take your time, mate. And you come up sideways.
Okay.
That way.
That's it.
That's it. Alright, you're going to feel a bit worn out, mate.
Yep.
You definitely will get better.
Oh yeah, well, I actually can sit here and it's not really sore.
Yeah.
As compared to what it was, because it was just too much pain.
No.
And then this morning when I got out of bed, that was unbelievable.
Yeah.
It took me actually half an hour to get out of bed. And I mean, that's just getting out of bed. And then I got down on my hands and knees and I crawled. And then I thought, now I'll go in, and I got the chair that wheels around. I thought I'll get in that and then I'll be able to get around.
Yeah.
You know, because there's no way I couldn't have walked this morning.
Stand up, mate, and we'll see what you're capable of.
That looked easier.
I didn't expect to see you standing up already. That's good. The first few steps will be a bit dodgy, mate.
Yeah,
but once you've done a lap or two,
yeah,
it'll start to lighten up.
Yeah, it's feeling a bit better. Gee whiz.
The thing to notice here is when he comes back, so he's still throwing the leg out a little bit to the side, but not like he was before.
Yeah, I feel as if I can bend it at the knee.
Yeah.
Whereas before I wasn't confident to bend it at the knee.
That's good. That means that the part of the nerve function that helps with muscle strength is starting to come back.
Yeah.
It's good to see. You're on the right track. Well, we've done the hard work.
Yeah.
So we'll see how you're going in, what are they up to, 4 days?
Yeah.
5 days.
See
Cool.
how we go.
All right, buddy.
No worries. Thanks, Ian.
Stand up for us.
Yep.
Well, that was good straight away.
Yeah.
Straight underneath his body.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. Oh, that's good, Barry. Happy to see you, mate.
Yeah. I tell you what, the last time was pretty hard, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in pretty bad nick. And we actually didn't even catch the worst of it on camera, did we?
I thought, there's no way I'm going to walk again. Especially when I was pushing myself around in the chair.
Yeah, when you feel like that, like you said, you feel like you're stuck with it forever.
Yeah, well, that's it.
It actually feels really good at the moment, Barry.
Yeah, no, that's good.
You're doing really, really well.
Yeah, no, I was pretty happy with it, actually.
Good, mate. That's fantastic. Good on you, mate.
Thanks, mate.